Hi, I'm David Victor, president of American Educational Institute. I'm on set in our Detroit area studios with Carole Foos, CPA. Carole is a partner of the OJM group, which may sound familiar because you've heard presenters from the group, her partners, David Mandel, Jason Odell, I believe, and I think others. Carole is about to give a talk on practice corporate structure and what the options are and what their implications are. And I'm going to let Carole tell you briefly about what she's about to speak on in detail. Carole.
Thanks, David. So in the corporate structure segment, we're going to talk about different corporate structures that your medical practice may be set up as, and from both a legal standpoint and a tax standpoint, how that affects you, including some examples of what your tax liability might be based on those different structures and how you're taxed.
Right. So spoiler alert, she actually already recorded this talk, so I heard it. It's really good. Encourage you to watch it.